Dude, what the hell? I can't believe you did that.
I had to do it.
No! I said not to!
So this is the finished product. Really happy with it. Really like the colors. And we're about to show you how to make it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make our mold for our epoxy handles. I measured out 2 inches across this and then drew a straight line. I'm going to cut that. I'm going to cut multiple of these. I'm going to need 3 of the 2-inch ones, and then I'm going to just cut another one, and then I'll cut that to 3.5 inches in length. I will put a link of this mold in the description below. All right, let's cut. Don't, not cut, let's cut.
But cut or cut, man. No, geez, Joe. Hold your breath.
All right, so what we're gonna do in order to get a 2-inch by 1.99, 1.25 inch, I'm gonna put the 2 of these on the side of this one. I cut these. This is 2 inches by 3.5 inches, and those are going here.
It's a box.
I'm just going to clamp this all together, and I'll start drilling some pilot holes and then screwing it together.
Yeah, for the roof shit.
Yeah. All right. So we're good. Oh, shaking the camera. All right, now I need to fill the corners with some silicone. Basically, I just get some of this Alex Plus, this DAP windows and door mold.
And we're back.
All right. So let me glob this out. All right, and then after, I'm gonna run my finger along and run it up into the corners. But let me run both sides real fast. And then take my buggy finger and I run it over there and up into the corner. What we can do while we wait for this to dry, we can actually go look at our burled wood. We can actually cut it to the size on this so we can get some nice edges of wood. Square it up, so you square up, like you cut in half and then cut in half again, and you can like shove it into a corner, and you'll have all these little cool like burls that
little peaky points.
It'll just like stick right here, and they'll stick out into the piece. Yeah. Done. Cut this now square. I'd probably just go half again. Half would be pretty damn good. Dude, what the fuck? We'll cut a little bit extra off of that. There, there, and then each end would be pretty cool. Yeah. You could. What colors do you want? These are all our different colors. Cool.
I think red and silver.
Red and silver. Yeah. Maybe a little splash of black. And just put the cup on there that we plan on using. We're gonna tear it out, and then we're going to add a specific amount of epoxy, and then you need to use the exact same amount of hardener for this specific 1-to-1 mixture. For sure. 2. And I like to mix the color in there. 4 of these. This is one of our 2-ouncers. Started out by pouring the resin into 4 cups. We had 2 cups of red that were 2 ounces and 2 cups that were 1 ounce for the black and the silver. All right, so the bubbles are already starting to come out.
What are you pouring, Joe?
I'm pouring the hardener into the epoxy so that it will eventually harden. Since this particular epoxy is a 1-to-1 ratio, we did equal parts of hardener to the epoxy that's in each color.
Here we are, putting the epoxy into the tube, pressurizing it to remove all of the bubbles.
I'll put a link to the YouTube video where I got this design in the description below. Alright, see all the bubbles on top? Pop all the surface bubbles. Anyways, I must be able to use a propane heat, like torch. Well, what I'm doing is I'm taking the orbital sander and I'm touching it to the side because this thing vibrates off its ass and brings any bubbles that are trapped low to the surface. So now we have to wait overnight for it to cure, and we'll see it tomorrow.
My handle's coming soon. All right, so we waited overnight.
We are going to take the epoxy handle out of the mold.
What he said.
Okay.
The white is a part of it.
Oh yeah, it's just the silicone that we had to put around the edges to make it easier to break apart. Oh, that looks pretty cool.
Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. So thanks for watching our video.
Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and comment down below with your thoughts on our epoxy resin handle.
Joe.
You remember like Bill Nye, the science guy? Joe Nye, the science guy. Joe.
You're the only one cheering for yourself.